Meetings are the lifeblood of most organizations, but they're not always as productive as they could be, and that's frustrating. They're too long, there's too many of them, they're not focused, people come late or don't show up, people don't need to be there, a few people talk over everyone else, and afterwards it's not always clear what everyone's supposed to do or what decisions were made. This is a big problem for all of us. The cost of poorly organized meetings was estimated at over $300 billion annually in the US alone. And we spend an average of 15 hours a week in meetings, so this is serious.
The number one thing I hate in the world is meetings. I hate them.
And it's all getting worse thanks to the rise of remote working and endless video meetings like Zoom and WebEx. So what do we do about it? Well, up till now, we basically had two forms of office communications. Email and texting, which is written and asynchronous, meaning that people don't have to be both talking at the same time. And it's also unstructured and ongoing. The second form is live meetings, which are spoken, and they have a specific time constraint and specific goals and tasks and decisions for the group to make together. So what if we put that same meeting structure into a written asynchronous tool? What if we had a set time frame and the accountability of a live meeting with the convenience and the simplicity of an asynchronous shared Google Doc? That's Yabbu, and here's how it works. You make a written agenda, set the goals and tasks and decisions, and then you share it with the group. Everyone works on the Yabbu meeting asynchronously on their own time. Everyone contributes, and together, you actually start crossing off some of your agenda items. In fact, many of our customers are canceling a few of their regular meetings completely, and that makes a lot of people very happy. And if you do have agenda items left over to discuss, everyone will be prepared and everyone will be on the same page. So the live meeting will be shorter and more focused and more productive. Thank you very much for watching, and happy Yabbu.